Hello everyone, welcome to Site Project Report Week 20. I'm a software engineer building startups after my 9 to 5. In this series, I just share what I've been working on and all ups and downs of trying to build something on the side. Let's get into it. Last week, I tried to show you my app called Best Posting Times. I fixed the issue. The issue was that Instagram API was not available, so yeah, it will be good to add some error handling then there. But right now, I focused on my next app, so I decided to, for now, take a break from Best Posting Times because yeah, the simple reason of this is that I'm not really into Instagram. So I first need to get some more knowledge regarding how to grow your account, and then I will try to use my app because yeah, I use it only for some of my old accounts from my previous businesses, and I want to have it tested on the live account and check and validate if this posting times can grow, that it can help to grow the account. But yeah, I think that the idea was not the best picked, but I really I'm happy that I started and yeah, nearly finished the app. I think I finished because it's live, but I just switched it to free for now, and I added a teaser for weekly emails, and I didn't implemented this because I want to create my Instagram account, grow it a little, and then I will try to be the first user to validate if everything is working okay. So I will keep it live, but I don't expect anyone to be really a fan of this right now solution. Also, for now, I don't plan to market it, but I like I said, I will keep that, and in the near future, I will be back with marketing, and I still believe in this idea, and I think it was good that I did yeah, all of the requirements for getting the Instagram API, because I think this is my unfair advantage when it comes to other similar apps, because I see that it is really a painful and cumbersome process to accomplish. So I think it is still a value of trying to promote this. And this week I started next app. I already bought a domain and did some yeah, starting stuff there. It's called Vibe Writer, and I will describe it a little bit more next. So the stats from last week, similar as previous one, I worked every day from Monday to Saturday, 2 hours deep work before my 9 to 5. I didn't spend any money because yeah, I bought the Vibriter domain previous week. And like I said, I changed my strategy, so I didn't work on marketing for Best Posting Times. I need to make sure that it provides a real value for the users, and yeah, I want to test it myself and grow my Instagram account with it first. What I did last week, when it comes to the first one, I already talked about this. When it comes to the new app, the Vibriter, I tried to make the whole process of starting a new app more efficient. I read a lot of MVP agency guys on Twitter and saw how they build the apps quickly, yeah, way quicker than me. So I tried to follow the best practices that they are doing. So I started the whole process with chatting with ChatGPT and trying to create the PRD for the app, so the product requirement document. And based on this, I got a already created really, I think, verbose things that I can just put to the cursor and V0, and the prompts that will help me make this app much quicker than before. So after creating a PRD, I took the UI part from it and I generated the base frontend with V0. I think I will show you that in a minute. And then I moved to Cursor with all the UI stuff I got from V0. And in Cursor, I started with the main feature. So I integrated my app with GPT-4 API. So the really base feature is working, but yeah, there is still a lot of stuff to make it valuable for the users. I also set up a database and authentication. For me, it's still like not that easy to choose the best database for this kind of app because yeah, the previous one was like no data handling there. To be honest, only like users info. And here I plan to like save a lot of stuff, so the prompt history. So yeah, I need to spend some time on this, but I kept using Supabase because I found that it's still like the best use for me. So the good part is that I will have the same technology stack as before. And yeah, also trying to improve my process before writing the code. I also spent a whole one session to learn about the cursor features. Yeah, I know that the cursor rules is nothing new, but I didn't use it before, and yeah, I just had to get into it. I found it useful, but to be honest, as I watched a lot of YouTube videos and some blog posts, I still don't think that it is like a really big thing, big productivity improvement. I think it is useful, but it depends on the person who is using it, how will you use. And I think without this, you can still be productive. But yeah, I implemented this into my process, so we'll try to build with it. Yeah, the commits I made this week, still I'm keeping the streak. Every day I commit some change. This week, yeah, I started with changing best posting time to 3 and added a weekly email teaser. And I think from Wednesday I only work on Vibewriter. Yeah, some small success from my side, nothing big, but for my small account it was something unusual. So first time my Twitter post, yeah, my X post got more than 100 views in one day. I also like every day I'm making a commit. I also every day posting a Twitter beginning of this year. So yeah, I will also keep you posted on this. And then next week goals are, first one is for best posting times, just to be try my app live, and all of the rest of the goals are for the new app. And yet you see that I will be working on yeah, developing, improving the existing features, so saving the prompts it generates, adding a style selector, and displaying the history. Yeah, I just realized that I didn't describe the Vibewriter, but yeah, probably no one will watch this, so I will do this in the end of the video. The total stats, so these are the stats that I started to monitor on November 2024, because then I started to like really be really focused on working on my side project and be consistent with it. So yeah, like you see, I'm still in like building phase. Thought the best posting times will be the app I will start to market, but I realized that the product for now is not that good. So I still need to like improve it, but it will take time just to be the first user and try it. And that is all from the statistics. So right now I can finally show you the best posting times app, and yeah, probably it will be better presentation than last week. So yeah, you already know what this app is about. I will sign in, and here I need to add a Instagram account because without it I can't do nothing in the app. So I'm connecting my, like I said, old Instagram account. And right now I don't see any paywalls because I make the app free. So the main feature of the app is this analysis. So based on the previous posts from this account, yeah, it's like nothing fancy right now. I'm just only analyzing likes and comments and the time when the post was added. And based on this, I created an algorithm that proposes you the best posting time based on this data. Yeah, this one also like uses the same data to calculate. And yeah, previously it was paid feature, but like I said, right now it's free. And I also make this teaser, this offer of email weekly report. I came up with this idea because I realized that I don't want to have one-time payment app. I just want to make it like more, I don't know, sustainable and more useful for people just to have the recurring clients. That's why I wanted to modify it to change it to subscription model. That's why I added a waiting list, and you can sign in, and I'm storing the emails just to like check the interests. Hopefully, yeah, maybe when I start promote this app, that will help me to decide if it is worth doing or not. And below you have some random insights that Instagram API allows me to display. I also can like display a lot more stuff, and I plan to display this in the weekly email report feature in the future. But for now it looks like this. So it doesn't cost too much for me to hosting this, so I will keep this up and will try to test it myself. And here is the new app, so the Vibe Writer. I came up with this idea because I'm posting every day on Twitter. I'm trying to make this YouTube thing going, and also I plan to create and also grow my Instagram account and probably LinkedIn in the future. So there is a lot of content, and I often use ChatGPT to help me with the content. So I found that I don't have issues with ideas for the post, but I have sometimes issues with like making that a good copywriting of the ideas. And sometimes I also don't have the idea what I want to post, but this app will help me with all of this stuff. So for example, some simple feature, how it's working right now. So I will just post I had a bad day, and this app will create a feature. It should create an Twitter out of this. Give me a second. It's not running, so probably this presentation will be better than the best posting time last week. So let's try it one more time. I had a bad day, and it is generating the content for 3 platforms. I will start with 2, so Twitter and Instagram. And for Twitter, it generates 3 versions of the proposed post I can post about it. Right now, I don't plan to connect it to Twitter and Instagram. This will be not scheduling app, but I want to like, it's called Vibe Writer. So you are looking for, you have, so for example, the vibe for you are setting the vibe for the post, and it tries to, the app helps you to adjust it to the specific platform and also like make it in different styles, in different moods. So that the goal is in the next steps to first select the tone of the post, the funny, entertaining, educational, and also I plan to adjust this app, so integrate your post history to make this app learn your style of posting, just to not be the looking like a AI generated post. I want to make it feel as close to your style of posting as I can, but adding the source that is needed for the specific platform. So for Twitter, it will be like a short form content. For Instagram, right now I don't have like the image generation, but I have description and hashtags. It's like really basic right now, the prompt for GPT. So I think it will be adjusted even better. For LinkedIn, right now, yeah, I don't really use LinkedIn, so I will be using Instagram and Twitter. And when I found it like it's working okay, then I will also add LinkedIn here. And like I said, I don't want for now to connect it to APIs because yeah, it's like really a lot of stuff to do to like fulfill all the requirements. And also Twitter API is paid and it's not that cheap. So yeah, that's the idea. I think that it will be even more fun than the previous app for me, because this one I will be try to test like every day, because every day I'm trying to generate some content. So yeah, that was the last week, and see you in the next one. Thanks.